Assalamu alaikum. This is Professor Muhammad Hassan Khan, and welcome back to the series of course information and business management. And this is a week 9 and chapter number 9, which is staffing and motivation. So, in this chapter, we have to talk about staff management and what the importance and so on. So, this is the first slide, and let's see what first slide says to us. And it says, what is staffing? First of all, we have to understand that what is staff or staffing. Staffing means hiring and managing the right people for the right job in the organization. What we are saying, staffing means hiring staff of any organization, staff, hiring and managing. What we are hiring and managing the right people for the right job in the organization. Okay, it is an important part of management because employees are the backbone of any business. Once again, over here we have discussed hiring and managing right people for the right job in organization. In second part, we are discussing about the important part of management. It is a Staffing is the important part of the management because employees are the backbone of any business. Okay, let's see the staffing process. What the staffing process is: first of all, manpower planning. Decide how many employees are needed. It's like this chapter is similar like HR, or you can say that this is the part of the HR, human resource management. Okay, and first of all, in the staffing process, we are talking about the manpower planning. How many employees are needed? Secondly, recruitment. Attract good candidates. Okay. We want to attract the good candidates for the job position. Number third, selection. Choose the best candidate by interview or test. Number fourth, what we are doing, placement. Give them a proper job and role. Candidate is hired, selected. Now time for placement. Third, fourth, fifth part is training and development. The person is a hire for a proper job and role. Now training and development, teach skills to do the job well. Okay, this is a very important. Performance and appraisal. Person is in trained, develop, start doing work, and at the end of the year, performance and appraisals. Review employee performance, that how that person is capable. That person should give appraisal, or you can say you can continue with the same position, or you can say that we want the new employee. Last, promotion and transfer. Move employee to better place. Okay, there's a thing over here, better opportunity. Okay, this is the process of staffing. Next, we're talking about what is motivation. In staffing, motivation is very much necessary. Motivation means encouraging employees to work with energy and commitment. What motivation says? Encouraging. We are encouraging employees to work with energy and commitment. A motivated employee work harder and stay loyal to the company. If the person or the employee is not motivated, he will not work hard and he will not stay loyal with the company. Okay, motivation is very much necessary for the employee. Okay, next, talking about the importance of motivation. Motivated employees like work better and faster, show loyalty to the company, achieve goals easily, reduce absenteeism and laziness. They off, you can say that, and lazy. They show this type of thing very you can say that they do not show these type of things. Okay, improve overall company performance. With the help of these things, the overall company performance is you can say that improve. Okay, let's talk about the motivation theories. These are the main important part of that chapter. Theories. We have one, two, three, four theories. First, we have to talk about the Maslow hierarchy of need. What he says? According to Maslow hierarchy, he says people work to fulfill basic needs first. What he says, people work to fulfill basic needs first, then higher needs like respect and successful. According to Maslow, he is saying that people work for what? To fulfill basic needs. Okay. Secondly, Herzberg's or two-factor theory. Herzberg's two-factor theory. What he says, two things affect employees. Hygiene factor mean salary, work condition. And second, motivators. Motivators means achievement, recognitions. Okay. Same thing, achievement or recognitions. Over here, Herzberg's tell about the two-factor theory. First factor, hygiene factor. Second, motivators, achievement, recognitions. Okay. The third is McGregor's theory. McGregor's theory, X and Y theory. What he says, theory X, he divided his theory into two parts, X part and Y part. In X part, he says employees are lazy and need strict rules. In X part, theory X, he says employees are lazy and need strict rules. In second part, which is the theory Y, what he says, employees are responsible and enjoy work. Responsible. Over here, he talk about the lazy people. Over here in theory Y, he talks about the responsible employees and enjoy work. Responsible and enjoy work. Okay. Fourth person is McClelland's theory of need. McClelland's theory of needs. What he says, people are motivated by three things. What? First thing, achievement. Second, power. Third is affiliation. Affiliation or social relation. Okay. What he says, peoples are motivated by the three things: achievement, power, and affiliation, social relation. Okay. These are the four parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four theories. First, Maslow. Second, Herzberg. Third, McGregor's theory. Fourth is McClelland's theory. Okay. I have explained this theory in very easy and very, you can say that, try to make you people learn this theory. I've already discussed this theory in class. Okay. Let's talk about the example of motivations. Example number 1, like a company offers a bonus to employee. This is the, you can say, motivation. Employees feel happy and work harder. First thing is like motivation. Companies giving bonus, with the help of that, employee become very happy and they start doing work harder. Second example, manager appreciates good work. If a manager appreciates a good work, employees feel motivated to do better next time. Okay. Let's discuss against a reciprocal of that. If manager, you can say that, give hard talk to the employees. Okay. They do not appreciate or give hard talk, bad words. So employees do not feel motivated and they do not do the better work next time. Okay. So let's conclude what we have discussed in this chapter. We have discussed about the staffing, motivation. Both are important for business success and employee satisfaction. And this is all from this chapter. And shall I see you in the next week and next chapter. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care, bye bye. And I just want to add one thing, like please do comments on my videos so that I can get a feedback that do people like or not. Also like and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video. Bye bye.